friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. You never know how long it's really going to take. I never even know, but you never know. That didn't make sense. Okay, so what we're doing, and if you're new to this segment, the series of videos that we do, make sure you go back in time to the very first one we did. It was absolutely positively hilarious. I actually enjoy watching it once in a while, just because it's so funny. But there's a reason why we do this. So you got to go watch that video to find out. But in the meantime, let's do today's video. I just finished videotaping the card kit video, so I do have some of those papers in my workstation still. So I have some banana, some ocean, sea glass, some sage, some white, you never know. Also, since we released this month, I thought maybe I should use this one. I'm going to try to use the Surfboard Slimline. Fold it. Why did I pick that? Because my nephews, Ben and Carter, love the beach, and for Christmas, we bought them surf lessons. Well, guess what? It's finally time to make good on that gift. It's been too cold, but summer is coming, so we thought we would take them to the beach and get them those surf lessons. So what a cute way to tell them it's time than giving them a surfboard card, right? I know, I'm kind of smart sometimes. Okay, so I have that here. I don't know what else. Oh, I did grab the sunglasses to stamp because I'm hoping there's a stamp set in here, or I'm sorry, stamp I could put in here to add. I don't know. You never know. I don't even have a block out, so I'm gonna cheat a little tiny bit and grab a block just in case, because half the time I need a block. Okay, Kenny is gonna time me. He's off camera. Ken, are you ready, baby? Okay, so he is ready, and oh, I want to make sure I have a cutting pad. Okay, get set. Hang on. Start the time. Okay, so I'm going to die cut the white because, you know, white is like, it's the background and it's going to be the inside of the card. So I'm going to grab the biggest die in the kit. That is the folded part of the kit of the card. And I'm going to move it way over here and, oops, right here. Do it this way. And it says place fold here, so I know where to place the fold. I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run that through just like that. Now, normally I would die cut a second one to go on top, but because this is a 30-second card and they're little boys, they don't know the difference, I'm not going to worry about it. You can barely tell that there's a fold there, so that's good. I think that's perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the base, and we are going to grab, ooh, I want this blue. That blue is going to be fantastic. So I'm going to lay that down. We're going to die cut that. And I'm thinking I'm just going to grab these cute little guys, these little dies that go inside. And we are going to grab some washi. And we are going to lay these inside. So these are going to actually die cut the little tiny waves on, well, not waves, stripes on the side. But I want to die cut that to make sure they don't move when I run it through my die cut machine. So I'm taking an extra second, but it will be worth it. And we're gonna run that through the machine. I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't know if that's the right size, so we're gonna grab this. And Kenny has started the time already, right, Kenny? And we're going through, I don't remember saying start the time. Usually I say start the time. Okay, so now what we have here is we have our cute little surfboard. Look how cute this is. Peel it up gently because of that washi tape. But look, I have my cute little surfboard. And so I'm going to add that there. Now I could add different colors in there if I wanted to, but we'll see how we're doing on time. So I'm going to add this just like that. Just like that, just like that, just like that. And we're going to lay this down right there. And you know what? I really do want to add some fun stripes in there. So let's grab these. Grab that one. And I have this sage that already has the adhesive on the back because I use this for my card kit. So I'm going to add these little stripes. I'm also going to grab, go way over, I'm also going to grab these little fin pieces because I just feel like that's going to be cute to add also. And last but not least, these cute little surfboards, because I might want to put them somewhere. So boom, there we go. So I'm going to lay this on my machine. And I can save those stripes that are over there for another card, right? Just save those for later. So we're gonna run this through quick and easy. Don't let those little pieces move. There we go. Okay, it's fun that it comes with all those cute little extra surfboards for shaker cards if I wanted, or just extra decorations. And we got our little fins going here, so let's go ahead and peel these up. So these are just the cute little fins from the surfboard. And I'm gonna add that right there. Right. I could have die cut these when I die cut the stripes, the strips, or the curved lines, or whatever you wanna call them. I could have added that die in here instead, but I didn't think to do it, so. But anyway, I'm gonna fill it up anyway, so it's okay. So we're adding this, we're adding this. So these boys are gonna be so excited when I finally tell them it's time for their surf lessons. They've been waiting so patiently, but as you know, it's been a little cold, and I know they would not want to go without it being warm, even with wetsuits. So we're going to add this, and it's going to go all the way inside, just like that. Look at that fancy surfboard. Now, they don't have surfboards yet, but the guy we're getting the surf lessons from is going to let them borrow his, so that will be good. Okay, actually, it's a friend that's giving him surf lessons, so okay. But we're gonna add this right here. There we go, cute, cute. Looking good, looking good. Now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to get my cute little mini surfboards, and I'm just gonna kind of put them at the bottom just because I thought that would be extra cute. And it kind of does little cutouts on them, so that's kind of cute. I still feel like the front needs a little something extra. I'm still thinking about that as I do this. I'm just gonna do 2 because it's 2 kids. Now, really quick, sunglasses. So I think I was just gonna say fun in the sun because I kind of thought that that would be appropriate for this. So we're gonna just do that, and let's do it in sea glass. Now, this stamp looks like it's been stained because it's been loved for a long time. We're gonna stamp on scratch first. Oh, looks good. Okay, so we're gonna ink it up again really quick. Fun in the sun right there. Now we're gonna finish this off with our stamp on the back, right? Gotta get our stamp on the back because they need to know that Auntie made, oops, upside down. They need to know Auntie made it. Now, we still need something on the front. I cannot do a card that looks like that. Hang on, my friends. Let's grab some, we need something. That's always, when in doubt, grab your embellishments. Now, these are boys, so I gotta be a little careful. Ooh, I have flip-flops. Ooh, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Splash. Oops, splash. Sun. Oh my gosh, this is totally cute now. Summer. And now I'm going to add a little sun. And we're stop. That turned out really cute. Saved by the puffy stickers. Let me tell you, it pays to have all of your embellishments in one spot. So all of my embellishments are in this bag. This is the Denise bag. There's 3 boxes. And so I have like all my big puffy stickers or anything that's bigger, I keep in here. So that really saved me a lot on that, right? And I dropped my fold it die down here. Okay, Kenny. So here we go. Let's do the final peek. So here it goes. It says splash, sun, summer. Open it up. Fun in the sun with my cute little tiny little surfboards down there. I got my stamp on the back saying created by Stephanie. And then I'm going to write in there, Ben and Carter, it's time for surf lessons. Dun, dun, dun. Yay. This will fit in a standard business sized envelope. Amazing, right? I know, it's totally awesome. I can't wait to send it to him. Okay, Kenny, what's the damage, babe? Oh, well, it's been better, but it's been a lot worse. So I'm gonna say that was pretty good. It ended up being 5 minutes and 39 seconds. I think it's really cute, and I think for 5 minutes and 39 seconds, you can't go wrong, right? And I always love when I don't know what to do, because then I know, you guys know that I really don't plan these. But I think it turned out cute. So thank you so much for joining me for another 30-second card in, not too shabby, 5 minutes and 39 seconds. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I